What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the Pixel 7 Pro on deck, and I want to talk about this device 6 months later, see how it was doing in 2023. This was a device that dropped in 2022. Let's go. Okay, so we got the Pixel 7 Pro, guys, and we pretty much know the specs of this device. It's a 12 gigs of RAM device that dropped with the Google's Tensor G2 processor. They dropped the Tensor and the Pixel 6 Pro, and then they optimized the Tensor, and we got the G2 and the 7 Pro. That was a nice upgrade. This device, guys, is really fluid. It runs really well. It's not the most powerful processor out for Android smartphones right now. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 right now is really crushing it. But with that being said, this device is still a device to be desired. Pretty much everything you throw at this device, it can handle. Now, if you were downloading apps to edit some 4K videos and things of that nature, now that might be something that this device has a little hard time dealing with. And those are the type of situations where you would want like a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 over the Tensor G2. Because every now and then this device does have a little thermal issue, little performance hiccup every now and again. Normal task of taking pictures, taking videos, doing social media, and also this device is really good with the Google Assistant and taking dictation and things of that nature. This is a really helpful device. It is no problem with doing things like that all day. Now with the battery life is decent on this device, but it does get a little bit outshined by the updated smartphones of 2023, of course. And really those smartphones, you will want to really compare them to the Pixel 8 Pro that comes out this year, and we see what Google does with that processor. Price is big when it comes to this Pixel 7 Pro, guys, because this is a flagship device, flagship specs. You getting the great processor, you getting a great screen, 120 hertz. This is a really nice device, guys, that you can actually get at about $750 to $850. And don't even talk about the pre-owned market. You can catch it on a real steal. And this is still a really solid performer in 2023. Now, a couple categories where this device is gonna get the win is the camera. This device, as far as photography, is gonna give you the best point and shoot on the market. As far as I'm concerned, MKBHD's blind smart test prove how big computational photography is when it comes to photography on smartphones, guys, where the Pixel 6a was picking up a lot of wins. So the 50mm sensor in this device, combined with Google's computational photography even on the selfie camera, you're getting really great pictures straight out the camera, not doing any editing, not putting your own pro mode on. If you want the best point and shoot photography available on the smartphone, you're gonna go to Pixel, because computational photography is smashing everything. Like I said, this device has a great screen, probably only second to like a Samsung S23 Ultra. You getting 2K, you getting 120 hertz. And I mean, the way this screen looks with all the colors and everything like that is natural, but it's vibrant at the same time, guys. It just looks really good, and it works really good with the 120 hertz because the Tensor can power that 120 hertz under regular use. Now, if you're a big fan of Android and you love pure Android goodness, you definitely gonna want to be a Pixel owner, because Google has done some great work with updates on these last two Pixel devices. Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro, they've been fixing any little glitches that these devices had, and they're also still adding features to these devices via the update system, via these feature drops, which are really new and exciting. When you get a feature drop, you get an update to your device with new features and things of that nature, it almost feels like you have a new device. And Android 13 runs so well, guys, compared to Android 12. This is the best version of Android that I have dealt with. It's smooth, it's fluid. Just to be able to get pure Android 13, guys, with the latest updates is just a really big plus about this device. In 2023, The Pixel 7 Pro is the best deal on the flagship. This is the best bargain for a flagship device right here, guys. Because you can, yes, you can compare it to the Samsung S23 Ultra, but let's be real, the S23 Ultra, you're paying almost $400 to $500 more than this device. So with the price being very competitive and the looks and the build of the device looking very premium, very nice, the display looking very nice, and you having one of the best point and shoot cameras on the smartphone through Google's computational photography, combined with the fluidity of an Android 13 and constantly getting your updates and your feature drops, this is just one of the best deals in 2023 and still a really great pickup. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.